Going to discuss surface areas and volume section. Section C, it is a 3 marks. A conical vessel of radius 14 cm, height 7 cm is full of water. The sphere is dropped into it and it completely gets immersed, making one eighth part of water is splash out of the vessel. What is the radius of the sphere? So what is the radius of the sphere? So let us proceed. This is the conical vessel. This is the conical vessel. It's full of water. It's full of water. So full of water. Full of water. So this radius is given 14 centimeter. Radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Height of the vessel is equal to 7 centimeter. It is 14 centimeter. Height means this full height. That is 7 centimeter. Full of water. The sphere is dropped into it. There is a sphere dropped like this. So what will happen? The water splashed out, no? That is one eighth of the full volume. It is splashed out due to after dropping this spherical, what is it called? Ball or whatever may be. Spherical or a sphere. Just as they have given, it is a sphere. Just a spherical sphere. When you drop, 1/8 of the volume is splashed out. Then if it is like that, what is the radius of the sphere? What is the radius of the sphere? So let us proceed. Sphere, it is cone. It is sphere. Now solution. Now volume of the sphere is equal to 1/8 of that volume of the water splashed out. No. Volume of the sphere is equal to volume of water splashed out. What fraction of the volume of the water splashed out? 1/8 of the volume of cone. 1/8 of the volume of cone, which is equal to 1/8 into volume of cone. What is the formula? 1/3 pi r square h. So volume of the sphere 4/3 pi r cube. So let us keep capital R, that is supposed to be the required radius of the sphere. So now let us write here, let R be the radius of the sphere. Let capital R be the radius of the sphere. Now we need the R cube value. Let us bring all the numbers along with the pi to that side. R cube is equal to now 1/8 into 1/3 into pi is there, r square h. 4/3 when it goes 3/4. 4/3 when it goes 3/4 into pi. That's all. So now you see 3 is cancelled. Pi and pi cancelled. Now let us substitute the r square value. So r square equal to 14 into 14. 14 into 14. Height of the cone, that is 7 centimeter. 7. Then 8 into 4. 2 times 2. 2 times 2. 1 time. 2 times 2. 2 times 7. 1 time 7 times. Is equal to 7 into 7 into 7 by 8. I can write 2 into 2 into 2. This is r cube. This is r cube. Now we know we need r. R is equal to cube root. R is equal to cube root, which is equal to 7/2 centimeter, which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the sphere is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of the sphere is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So this you can expect in 3 marks. So the thing is you need to simplify the formula first. So just like that you will get the answer without getting into a fraction. Keep in your mind, don't try to cancel and get into any decimal numbers. So you will be in trouble in the sense it will take your steps complicated and it will take your time in examination. Thank you.